Fix Windows Update Error 0xca00a000. In this video I will show you few solution to fix the problem. Fix 1. Run the troubleshooters. The built-in troubleshooters can detect and resolve issues that prevent updates from installing correctly. If that didn't work, Fix 2. Perform disk cleanup. Disk cleanup can not only free up some space in your drive but also remove any potential buggy caches. Fix 3. Enable the Windows Update and other services. A disabled Windows Update, and other relevant services, can prevent updates from installing properly. Fix 4. Run sfc and dism scans. Corrupted system files can block updates, and repairing them can restore functionality. Copy and paste the command that you will find in the description of this video. After entering all command, restart your computer and try again and your problem should be fixed. Fix 5. Reset Windows Update components. A corrupted update cache in the software distribution folder can halt the update process. Copy and paste the command that you will find in the description of this video. Now right-click on that file and click on Run as Administration. Type Y and press Enter. Now restart your computer and try again and your problem should be fixed.